In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collaborate in PowerPoint. If you're working on a presentation with teammates, classmates, or co-workers, PowerPoint makes it easy to share your file and work together without sending multiple versions back and forth. Collaboration is especially helpful when several people need to review, edit, or comment on the same presentation. To get started, open the PowerPoint presentation you want to collaborate on. Once your file is open, look to the top right corner of the window. You'll see the Share button there. Go ahead and click on Share. After you click it, PowerPoint will guide you through the sharing process with on-screen prompts. These prompts may vary slightly depending on your version of PowerPoint and whether your file is already saved to the cloud, but the general flow is very straightforward. If needed, PowerPoint may first ask you to save the presentation online so it can be shared properly. Just follow the instructions that appear on your screen. As you move through the prompts, pay close attention to the sharing options available. In many cases, you'll be able to choose whether other people can edit the presentation or only view it. This is useful if you want full collaboration, or if you simply want someone to review your slides without making changes. You may also see options that control who can access the file, such as specific people or anyone with access through your organization, depending on your setup. Take your time as you go through each prompt and make sure the permissions match the kind of collaboration you want. This helps avoid confusion later, especially if multiple people will be working in the same file. Once you've completed the on-screen steps, your presentation will be ready to share. From there, collaborators can open the same file and work on it together. In many cases, PowerPoint will update changes in real time, which makes teamwork much smoother and helps everyone stay on the latest version. A good tip is to let your collaborators know what sections they should focus on before they begin editing. That can help prevent overlapping changes and make the review process more organized. It's also a smart idea to quickly double-check your slides before sharing, just to make sure everything is ready for others to see. That's it. To collaborate in PowerPoint, just click the Share button in the top right corner and follow the on-screen prompts. Once you've done that, you'll be ready to work with others more efficiently and keep your presentation process simple and organized.